Imagine a droplet of water on a surface. Did you ever ponder why it forms into a perfect sphere? The answer lies in the fascinating world of surface energy. Firstly, what is surface energy? It is the energy required to increase the surface area of a material. In layman's terms, it's all about the interactions between molecules at the surface. These molecules experience an inward force due to unbalanced molecular attractions, creating a unique environment that we often overlook. An essential manifestation of surface energy is surface tension. This force tends to minimize the surface area of a liquid, causing phenomena such as the spherical shape of water droplets. Think of it as a delicate skin on the liquid's surface. Surface energy also governs how liquids interact with solid surfaces. The concept of wetting describes how well a liquid spreads over a solid. The contact angle, which is the angle formed between the liquid and solid, acts as a direct indicator of this interaction. Surface energy isn't just a theoretical concept. It has practical applications in materials science. In the world of coatings, adhesion, and manufacturing processes, understanding surface energy is paramount. Materials with similar surface energies tend to bond well together, while differences can cause repulsion. Measuring surface energy is another aspect that scientists grapple with. They employ various methods, including the Wilhelmi plate method and the pendant drop method. These techniques help quantify the forces at play on the surface of liquids and solids. In conclusion, surface energy isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a fundamental force shaping our everyday experiences. From the dew on a leaf to the behavior of adhesives, surface energy is all around us. If you've enjoyed this exploration into surface energy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science. This is signing off.